You want to know what a one-bedroom condo in the low 400s can get you, McLean? Let's take a look. When you step in this condo, you see that the flooring right away is LVP flooring that goes all throughout the entire one-bedroom condo. 42-inch cabinets, stainless steel appliances. And you see this oversized granite, so you can put nice bar stools out here too. And you know, for a smaller kitchen, wow, there's tons of cabinet space in here. Take a look at these great deep cabinets, place for a pantry. Oh, and one thing I want to make sure I mention here is that this condo faces west. And really, you can't beat the price in the location. Stepping into the bedroom, high ceilings, nice windows looking out to your balcony. Again, LVP flooring. All right, let's head over here into your bathroom. Check out your closet space. Love the closet space. Solid corridors, nice and heavy. This is where your HVAC system is, and you go into your primary bath. When you have guests here, you could obviously have them enter from here. Take a look at this balcony.
Hey, thanks for watching. Share your thoughts and suggest a neighborhood you'd like me to tour next.